Hi, I'm Dave, and welcome to AJAX Basics. AJAX stands for Asynchronous JavaScript and XML. It sounds complicated, but it doesn't have to be. In fact, as a concept, it's really simple. AJAX lets you update HTML without loading a new web page. If you've ever used Google Maps, Gmail, Facebook, Twitter, and yes, Treehouse, you've seen AJAX in action. When you first visit Google Maps, for example, the entire page loads with a map, a search box, and a few navigation buttons. If you type a location into the search box, you don't get a new web page. You get a new map, and some of the user interface elements change, but you're still on the same web page. As you drag, new parts of the map appear. You can zoom in, and you can zoom out, and it all happens really quickly. That's because just parts of the page are being updated, thanks to the power of AJAX. Twitter is another website that takes advantage of AJAX. If you use Twitter, you may have noticed that as you scroll down to the bottom of the page, older tweets appear. It's a page that never ends. That's all thanks to the power of AJAX loading more tweets whenever you scroll to the bottom of the page. New content without loading new web pages. AJAX has lots of uses. On the popular entertainment, news, and social networking site Reddit, users can vote posts up and down, helping to move the most popular posts to the top of the home page. When I click the up arrow on this post, I cast my vote for it. I don't leave the current web page, but my vote is sent to the Reddit server using AJAX. We even do this on Treehouse. In the forums, you can vote for forum responses, vote them up or down. This is a really good response, so I'm going to vote for it. Again, AJAX is used to send the vote to Treehouse's servers. Usually, the way we get more web content is to load a new web page. You click a link, leave the current web page, and load a new one. Or on a form, you fill out a search box, click Submit, leave the current page, and load a new page with results. AJAX gives us another, faster, and more user-friendly way to update our web pages. Instead of jumping to a new web page every time we want new information, AJAX lets you build web pages that ask for information from a web server. The web server returns data to the web browser, and JavaScript processes that data to selectively change parts of the web page. The amount of data the server returns is usually much less than that sent when you ask for a full web page. Another reason why AJAX requests can make your pages feel fast and responsive. The process of asking a server for information is technically called making a request of the server. And when the server sends back its answer, that's called a response. Keep those two words in mind. The web is built upon browsers, also called clients, sending requests to web servers, and servers sending responses back. You can actually see AJAX in action using the JavaScript console in most web browsers. For example, in Chrome, you can open the JavaScript console by clicking the Settings button, choosing Tools, and JavaScript Console. This opens the console in the bottom part of the browser window. To view every single AJAX request, right-click, or control-click if you're on a Mac, in the console and choose Log XML HTTP requests. Now, as I grab the map and drag around, you'll see AJAX requests listed in the console. You see them here listed as XHR, short for XML HTTP requests. Each request summons new content for the map. As you can see, there's a whole lot of AJAX going on here. AJAX is an important technology that all web designers and developers should know about. In this course, you'll learn how to use JavaScript to add AJAX to your web pages. You'll also learn how jQuery makes working with AJAX even simpler. To get the most out of this course, you should know a bit about JavaScript and jQuery. In the teacher's notes below, you'll find links to courses that can get you started with those. I won't be covering how to program with the server-side part of the AJAX equation. That requires one of the many server-side programming languages and frameworks like Ruby on Rails, PHP, Python, Java, .NET, and so on. We have lots of videos that can help with that. Check the teacher's notes. With AJAX in your web development toolkit, you'll be able to build web pages that feel more responsive, don't waste your users' time with annoying page refreshes, and act more like desktop applications. Let's learn how AJAX works.